Fun can be made even by me.
You should go ahead, Ashu.
No, Sergeant. I won't. There's a difference.
It's a TV show.
Sorry. Don't interrupt.
और जब तक मुझ में जान है मैं लोगों का मनोरंजन करूंगा, कोई मुझे शट अप नहीं बोल सकता है। और टीवी की ऑडियंस के लिए मैं काम करता हूं। मैं फिल्में जब डायरेक्ट करता हूं तो ऑडियंस के लिए बनाता हूं, किसी के बाप में दम नहीं कि मुझे आके कुछ बोले।
This feels good. It feels good to take your own award for a change. Frankly, I was not expecting this. The way we were going today. Quite a few surprises. Quite a few surprises. Quite a few shocks. I personally love Rock On very much. I don't like only one thing, that the film industry is made fun of at such award nights. And I feel it ridicules the award itself. On one side, I'm feeling very happy that I received an award for the film, Best Film. But I don't think the demeanor of the award night has been at a good standard. No offense, Sajid, no offense, Farah. Personal remarks can be made even by me. Fun can be made even by me.
You should go ahead, Ashu.
No, Sajid. I won't. There's a difference.
It's a TV show.
Sorry. Don't interrupt. Personal remarks can be made even by me. Fun can be made even by me.
You should go ahead, Ashu.
No, Sajid. I won't. There's a difference.
It's a TV show.
Sorry. Don't interrupt. I don't like the way you ask an award winner to stay quiet, to quicken his speech, when actually everybody else, and especially your show, gets so much time. I'm very deeply hurt and upset. It's Screen Awards. I look up to these awards every year. I wanted to hear the lyric writers speak, but they were being interrupted. I did not like that. It's my personal thing. I take great pleasure in accepting this, and without the support of my entire cast and crew, this film couldn't have been made. And I thank my entire team, and I thank Screen Awards again, and I appeal with great earnesty to Sajid and Farah. Stardom is a very difficult thing to achieve. We slog our time, we spend hours in making our scripts. An actor works really hard to do his honing of his talent. You cannot make fun of a star on this podium.
Tell me when I can speak, Ashu.
Shut up, Sajid.
No, you don't tell me to shut up, Ashu. Please don't tell me to shut up, Ashu.
Yes, Sajid. We are friends, absolute friends. You can say as friends whatever when I'm walking around, and I can't say it to you. Not fair. Sajid, we are friends.
Yeah, but I don't tell you to shut up.
I'm saying sorry now.
Yeah.
I said shut up, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because we are friends.
Yeah. Thank you. I take this award for the entire cast and crew. Without Haider Ali, the film couldn't have been made. Without Ronnie Screwwala, the film wouldn't have been made. And without Sunita, the film wouldn't have been made.
इट्स डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सबको अपनी अपनी राय देने का बिल्कुल पूरा हक है। आई एम श्योर आशु ने जो बात कही उससे आप बहुत लोग सहमत हैं, लेकिन ये भी आपको जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि अगर फिल्म अवार्ड्स होते तो कोई टीवी नहीं देखता, फिर से रिसेशन और बढ़ता। और सच बात यह है कि साजिद खान ने अवार्ड्स नहीं बनाया, अवार्ड्स ने साजिद खान को बनाया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और मेरा नाम साजिद खान है और जब तक मुझ में जान है मैं लोगों का मनोरंजन करूंगा, कोई मुझे शट अप नहीं बोल सकता है। और टीवी की ऑडियंस के लिए मैं काम करता हूं। मैं फिल्में जब डायरेक्ट करता हूं तो ऑडियंस के लिए बनाता हूं, किसी के बाप में दम नहीं कि मुझे आके कुछ बोले।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I know you all are waiting for very long, but I do have to say something. I have been working in this industry for 18 years. I don't think anybody loves the films and the film industry as much as I do. And the only reason we choose to joke and laugh because I think we are among friends and we are among family. That is the only reason we take liberties like this. And I think this is the only award function that lets everyone speak whatever they want for however long, because Ashu, if you were at the Oscars, in 40 seconds the music would start playing and you would be dragged out of stage. So on behalf of Sajid and myself, we are sorry if you felt bad, but we do not apologize for tonight's show. We had a good time and I hope you all did too.
And at the end of the day, कोई भी साजिद खान और कोई भी आशुतोष गवारीकर ऑडियंस से बड़ा नहीं होता है। ऑडियंस फिल्में बनाती हैं, ऑडियंस फिल्में चलाती हैं और ऑडियंस टीवी शोज बनाते हैं और हम काम करते हैं ऑडियंसेस के लिए। Thank you very much.
And I think the mood is to lighten up. Let's not take ourselves so seriously, guys.
Because we are all in the business of entertainment, whether it's
Because then the first thing to stop would be R.K. Lakshman's Common Man, because he makes fun of everything. Let's give. Go.
Okay, moving on.